the huge difference in the final consolidated amount. So you look into it, say what's involved. So,
That
so
would,
I just sent
that
it
would be a
back to
mistake
him, and then
only.
I came and sat in front of the computer here, like that.
Okay. That would be a mistake only by the manager. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it could be some. They put the blame on the computers.
Hmm.
I think there is a real system issue going around. So if one is not keeping track, you get into trouble.
Yeah, they're just blaming the computers for that.
Yeah, yeah, they get into trouble.
Okay, so now let's move on to this.
Yeah, knowledge level, analytical level.
Knowledge level would be it can be performed by a person having limited level of knowledge,
Yeah,
and accounting is a very professional process, so higher level of knowledge is required
right,
in comparison to bookkeeper. And
correct.
in analytical skill, bookkeeper does not need analytical skill, honestly. It's just recording of
Ah,
transactions. It's just writing
right.
transactions. So what an analytical skill is required there. But in accounting, analytical skill is required.
Required. Okay,
Okay. You wanna
right.
know you were going to note this or something?
No, no, I'm not going to note it out. Wait them to send me the recording.
Yeah, I'll
I will,
share some notes also.
yeah, yeah. I will ask them to send them on time because I think they'll forget just like that.
Okay. I'll also tell them.
Yeah, yeah, they just forget. The last 3 days I was asking them to send and nothing is happening. So I thought maybe there's no class today or something.
So no, no. We'll be doing classes on Saturday and Sunday every week.
Yeah, yeah, okay, okay. Right.
Now I'll just share another picture. If I also have not tried, so
What
I'll
happened?
also just look. And we have the bank
Bank
balance, the
balance.
inventory,
Yeah.
everything all about that. And maintaining complete and systematic records. We've learned this
Right.
before also that accounting means just recording the transactions
Right.
wisely. And by financial statements here, we mean that sharing the profit and loss and just yeah, and we can get profit and loss by P&L account, profit and loss account. This is a
Okay.
process we do, and we'll be learning it afterwards.
Right.
And for the assets and liabilities, we see balance sheet. Okay, so the process, I'll just explain a bit for that. The process of just calculating the profits and losses and how we determine the financial stage of the business.
Uh-huh.
First we make the trading account where
Okay.
the first step is journal entries, all the transactions we do, right? Okay,
The first step is we make the
journal
journal.
entries.
Journal. Okay.
Yeah. The first step is journal entries, then we make the ledgers for them,
Yeah.
then we create trading account, then profit and loss account.